Assalamualaikum dears, this is Nazia ma'am. Today we are going to see about one more poem under British literature. The name of the poem is On a Drop of Dew. Okay, On a Drop of Dew. About the poet. On a Drop of Dew was written by Andrew Marvell. Was born on 31st March 1621 in England. A well-known famous metaphysical poet. His famous works are To His Coy Mistress, The Definition of Love, and Horatian Ode upon Cromwell. You please read it carefully, write it down and practice the famous work of Andrew Marvell. Okay, dears. He deals with various types of themes such as romance to satire. Romance to satire. Satire means the humorous effect in the work. About the poem. Marvell wrote this poem during Christian influence. He has a strong influence towards the Christian. He believes Christianity. So he wrote under the influence of Christianity. So Marvell believes that human soul awaits to reunite with its Almighty. So here what Marvell believes means we are human, we are having soul, and we definitely came from God, and the soul does not want to remain in the world, and he want again reunite with its Almighty, that is God. So என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, மார்வல் என்ன பிலீவ் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா, வி ஆர் ஹியூமன், நம்ம மனுஷங்க, நம்மளது சோல் ஆல்வேஸ் வெயிட்டிங், நம்ம காத்திருக்குது திரும்ப அல்மைட்டிக்கிட்ட நம்ம காடுக்கிட்ட போகணும் அப்படின்னு. வைனா அவங்களுக்கு இந்த வேர்ல்டில் இருக்கிறதுக்கு பிடிக்கல, வைன்னு நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். Poet personifies means qualifies. என்ன குவாலிட்டி கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னா, personifies the dew means drop of water falls from sun and goes back to sun itself in the form of evaporation. So what Marvell says here means he personifies dew, which is a drop of water. It falls down from the sun in the morning and it get back to sun itself in the form of evaporation. என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, டியூ ஒரு ட்ராப் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். அது மார்னிங்கில் ஃப்ளவர்ஸில், செடியில் எல்லாத்துலேயும் இருக்கும். அது வென் த டே எண்ட்ஸ், அந்த டே எண்ட் ஆன வென் த சன் பிகம்ஸ் ஸோ ஹாட், அந்த வாட்டர் காஞ்சி போயிடுது. ஒரு காற்று மாதிரி அகெயின் இட் கெட் பேக்ஸ் டு காட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Similarly, soul falls and goes back to God. The same thing. Similarly, the soul also, we are human. When we are coming into the world, it is little bit we have to survive in the world, and again it is a reality that we have to get back to our Almighty God. Okay. Poet describes about the journey of the dew drop and its earning, and how many years the drop was surviving in this world. The world was said as the materialistic world. Materialistic world in the sense it has no originality. Everything is artificial here, as the poet believes that. Finally goes back to its birthplace. Poet illustrates his ideas with an example. What example here Marvell says? See, as I have told you before itself, in the morning the dew falls from the sky and return back to its place by evaporating. This shows the descent of the dew. Descent means fall of the dew from the sun and again return back to the sun itself. Poet expresses his views by examining the beauty of the rose. He connected the drop. He gives example how the dew falls down from the sun and again return back to the sun. And what is the story here? So he has taken example as a beauty of rose. As the dew falls on the petals of the rose, ஒரு ரோஸுக்கு மேலே ஒரு அந்த ட்ராப் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் ஃப்ரம் மார்னிங் வந்து அந்த ஃப்ளவர் மேலே விழுது. And then it was resting to some extent. Here it was resting to some extent in the world itself, resting on the flower. Here the soul connected to human, as human falls from the sky and survive in the world அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. எப்படி வந்து ரோஸ் வந்து ஃப்ரம் த சன் ஃபால்ஸ் இன்டு த பெட்டல்ஸ், ரோஸ் மேலே வந்து தண்ணியாக நம்ம எப்போவுமே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தடவை பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா, ரோஸ் மேலே தண்ணி இருக்கும். அந்த தண்ணி வந்து இட் வாஸ் கனெக்டட் டு ஹியூமன் சோல். அது இப்படி தான் ஹியூமன் சோல் கூட ஸ்கைலேருந்து கீழே வந்து they are surviving in the world and then again get back to God. So sun represents God here. Dewdrop is a symbol of human soul. Sun வந்து God and the drop is connected to human soul. Okay va? Poet explains about the drop of dew which falls on the rose in a form of spear. And the shape சொல்றாங்க, how a drop falls into the rose, it is in a form of spear shape. Poet expresses his view on the appearance of the dew in connection to human soul. The same way, human also falls from the sky like a dew and surviving in the world. As the dew came to the materialistic world, the world offers many physical pleasures. Even though the dew being offered many happiness, dew is not comfortable with the world. என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, இந்த வேர்ல்டுங்க ஹியூமன், dew வந்து இங்கே human soul. Wherever the human come into the, according to poet, whenever the human falls from the sky into the world, the human was surviving in the world. But even though the world offers many pleasures, the human doesn't want to remain in this world, because dew, that is human, is not comfortable with the world. Dew as a symbol of man wants to be independent, self-sufficient, as the dew is soft on rose, provides lights, but dew is not comfortable. இப்போ what they are saying is, dew the symbol of man. What a man feels, what a man thinks, he or she, they want to be independent. அவங்க வந்து யாருக்கு மேலே டிபெண்ட் இருக்க பிடிக்காது. அவங்க வந்து செல்ஃபாகவே தான் எல்லாமே ரன் பண்ணணும் யோசிக்கிறாங்க. ஈவன் தோ in the world, that is rose, given all the comfort. ரோஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும், சாஃப்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி தான் if the world has given them as the even though the dew offered many happiness, dew is not comfortable with the world ன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நம்ம வந்து ஹியூமன், we want to be independent இல்லையா, நம்ம யாருக்கு மேலேயும் டிபெண்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு பிடிக்காது. யாராவது நம்மளுக்கு அட்வைஸ் பண்ண கூட நம்மளுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக பிடிக்காது தானே. த சேம் வே அவங்க வந்து செல்ஃபாக இருக்கிறது தான் விரும்புகிறாங்க. ஈவன் தோ இந்த வேர்ல்டில் நம்ம எவ்வளோ சாஃப்டாக பிஹேவ் பண்ணால் கூட, ஈவன் தோ அவங்க எவ்வளோ நம்மளுக்கு கம்ஃபர்டபிள் கொடுத்தா கூட, நம்ம ஹியூமன் வந்து இந்த வேர்ல்டில் வாழ்கிறதுக்கு பிடிக்காது. they don't want to survive in the world அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Poet adds that dew was fear of touching the rose, as it was a scare of the material world. Now poet says that, explains that dew as a human soul was very much fear of this material world, as the dew don't want to touch the softness of the world, because it was a scare. Everything is artificial. Yes, no love, no unity, nothing is in the world, as the world is full of materialistic love. There is no reality, so I am afraid of this material world அப்படின்னு dew வந்து சொல்கிறார். Even rose is soft. Dew does not want to remain in the material world and want to get back to the sky again. So human soul, that is world, here is rose. Even though the world is soft, the human soul doesn't want to remain in this world, want to get back to Almighty God. Next poet says, that the dew fallen from the sky was a mournful situation. Mournful situation here is unhappiest situation. Thus dew was not at all happy in coming to the world, as dew thought that it has been separated from God. நான் வந்து God கிட்ட இருந்து செப்பரேட் ஆகி வந்து இந்த உலகத்துல நான் வாழணுமா அப்படின்னு டியூ வந்து கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்றாங்க. And the dew was very much sad in coming to this world. The moisture on the dew was weeping the effect of dew, showing the sadness. So here, and the softness and the moisture, whenever we see the rose, there is some watery appearance in the rose. It's here the poet connects the dew that the dew was weeping, crying effect, that the dew showing the sadness, and the dew doesn't want to come to the world. So the dew shed tears on its fall. Shed tears na அழுவுறாங்க. Dew gazing on the sky and mourn for his fall. When the dew falls from the sun into the world, into the rose, he was dew was gazing. Dew was staring at the sky, saying that and mourning that, showing the sadness that you make me to live in this world. Dew expresses the heavenly purity, that heaven is so comfort. Now dew expresses the purity of heaven, that heaven is very much comfort. He don't want to live in the he don't want to live in this world. There is no comfortability, there is no humanity. Why should I live in this world? It did not want to be in the world, as the world seems to be very impure. There is no purity. It does not want any offerings from the world, even though the world offers me a lot of happiness and lot of safety, lot of security, lots of money. I don't want to be in this world, because the world is impure to dew, with no reality, no peace, no happiness. So I want to get back to my God. And the human soul was crying that I don't want to be here in this world, as the humans are not at all good. They follow all the evil deeds. They have ego in their heart. They are constructed. They don't have reality. Everything was made with the ego and evil deeds. As they are not pure, they seems to be impure in their they seems to be impure. So I don't want to remain in this world. Please get back to God. On seeing the anxiety of the dew, with curiosity of returning to heaven, God permitted dew to come back, as the dew gets evaporated and returns to the sky. So this is the process. When the dew falls from the sun on the rose, that is the material world. The rose is the material world. The dew was surviving the whole day, but as the dew was not at all comfortable, start complaining to Almighty God that he don't want to be in this heaven, don't want to be in this home, in this world. And want and on the continuous complaint of the dew, God permitted, on seeing the anxiety, on seeing the feelings, on seeing the curiosity, on seeing the sadness of the dew, God permitted the dew to come back to the sky. So when the permission was given, here in the world, the dew was get evaporated like air and returns to the sky, as the rose becomes dry when the sun becomes hot. When we are keeping the flower in our hair, when we kept, it was in a moisty situation. It was in a moisty, appears like a moisture. But as the day ends, as the day goes, the rose becomes dry and changes color. So this is the process. Here explains that the rose was connected to material world, and the drop dew was connected to human. That the dew was, we are human soul, and this world was connected to rose. This being compared to mankind, as we are a product of God, have to go back to our place when the call comes. Yes, we are the product of God. We are belonging to God. We are belongs to God always. Death is a truth, and it has to come, and we have, every soul have to taste the fear of death. Every soul has to taste the fear of death, because death is reality and we cannot hide from the death. So finally what says here means the mankind says that we are the product of God only. We have to go back when the call comes. Next, the poet explains about the residing of the dew back to heaven, and now the dew feels happy and comfort. Now the dew feels that his complaint, thus the dew's complaint went to God, and finally God agrees that the dew can come back to its original place. So now dew feels very happy, very comfort, and and the dew loves to reside in the heaven than in the earth, as dew was very much bored of earth, ready to climb from the earth to heaven, and he don't want to remain in this material world, because this world never gives any happiness, any uh, any purity nor reality. So the dew don't want to remain in this world. He and the dew was as the dew was very much bored. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப போர் அடிக்குது, ஹியூமன் சோல்க்கு ரொம்ப போர் இருக்குது, நான் இந்த உலகத்தில் நான் இருக்கவே கூடாது, ஐ எம் ரெடி, இஃப் த சிச்சுவேஷன் கம்ஸ் டு மீ, இஃப் ஐ கெட் அ சான்ஸ், டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ கிளைம் ஃப்ரம் தி எர்த் அண்ட் ஐ கெட் பேக் டு ஹெவன். குதிச்சுட்டவே நான் போயிடுவேன் ஹெவனுக்கு, எனக்கு இந்த எர்த்தே வேணாம், எனக்கு இது வேர்ல்டே வேணாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Dew does not want to remain in this world, as the world was full of artificiality, no love, no unity. இப்போ வேர்ல்டில் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலிட்டிஸ். டெஃபினெட்லி வேர்ல்டில் எங்கேயாவது we are human, we are built with all the qualities. We have humanity also, we have become inhuman to some extent, so we cannot hope always that we are pure. We cannot give our authenticity that we are pure always. We are humans, we can commit mistake, we can commit some sins, but the thing is we must have the fear of God, that we are reaching back to God one day. If we are having a fear of God, a faith in God, definitely God won't let us to go in the wrong way. So the dew does not want to remain in the world, as the world was full of artificiality. When the dew was asked, why, what is the complaint? You let me know. God needs to know what is the complaint of a dew, that is a human soul. Why you don't want to remain in this world, as the world is full of nature, full of happiness, everything is there. There's proper food is there, proper work is there, you can develop your personality there, everything is there. Then the dew complains that the world is full of artificiality. There is artificial love, there is no real love, and there is no humanity between the humans, as the world was filled with disturbances of violence, no humanity, no affection. There is a violence takes place, corruption or death. They don't have humanity, they are putting death to the persons who commit mistakes. So the dew was very uncomfortable, that is human soul was very uncomfortable with the world's attitude. This shows the attitude of the world, where the human soul becomes very sad, don't want to remain in this world anymore, and want to get back to his original place. Poet added the quality of manna here. Manna is a kind of heavenly food which was given, which come from the heaven and given to the people in order to fill their appetite. So poet here added the quality of manna, that is manna may be here to mark there, bring out the importance of manna, and what it may be given in such a way that what is the heavenly food in the drop of dew, or what is the heavenly food defined in the On Drop of a Dew poem. So poet added the quality of manna, that is the food of heaven given to people. They eat as much they needed and return it back to their places. So, as the manna was frozen means chilla irukku, and in the earth, and they still in love with heavenly things, and always ready to fly back to heaven. So here is, as the manna, the food was frozen, given to the people. When the people filled with their appetite, the manna again took back to the heaven again. So it is not remaining in this world. The same way, here the manna was connected to human soul in such a way that even the soul seems to be frozen in the earth. Even though the soul was frozen in the earth, have chillness, have filled with appetite, everything, but still the dew loves love with heavenly things, and the dew was ready to fly back to heaven again. He don't want to remain in this world. Next, conclusion. Thus, Marvel concludes that human soul comes into the material world, want to survive there, but the soul discomfort in the earth, return back to God. Here, Marvel conveys the purpose of the soul, that it is devoted to God throughout its journey over the earth. Sorry, dears. Finally, it concludes that Marvel says we are human. When we are when we are descending, when we are falling from the falling from the sky into the world, there is some purpose. For some purpose, God has granted us some purpose, and we are totally devoted to God. We are coming to the world, and we have to survive here, but we are having some discomfort. We don't want to remain in this world. It is a kind of journey where we have to survive in this material world for a days which has been allotted to us. We cannot hide from this discomfort, but here Marvel conveys that a message, that it is a purpose of a soul. God, if God is sending to us in this material world, it has some purpose to be filled. It has some purpose to be filled. It is a kind of journey. We have to travel. We have to travel for a limited time which has been allotted to us, and totally we are devoted to God. But when the soul comes to in the material world for the survival, on seeing the as the soul is very pure, devoid of all the evil deeds, when this kind of pure soul enters into the world, the soul becomes restless. The pure soul never want to survive in this material world, as the soul is ready to get back to God and don't want to survive in this material world, because the people in the world was all covered with violence, corruption. They are putting to death, and they don't have love. They did not have any reality in them. They show always even the love is artificial. So the soul doesn't want to live in this material world, get back to the heavenly things, as the soul feels very happy and comfort there. Here here Marvel added, again I am repeating dears, here the dew connected to soul. Dew வந்து நம்ம human மாதிரி வெச்சுக்கணும். God வந்து sun. Okay, God is sun. Here sun has been compared to God. Sun as God and dew as soul. Okay, so finally Marvel concludes that if our purpose is completed in the world, and we have to get back to our Almighty God. So it is a journey. If the journey is finished, finally we have to reach our destination, that is our Almighty God. Okay. Thank you, dears. Stay blessed.